Welcome, dear students. Today we shall discuss about some logical instructions of 8051. 8051 is a computer on a single chip, therefore, it has to perform not only the arithmetic operation but also it has to do some logical operations. Logical operation means we are using logic gates to do the operations such as OR gate, AND gate, XOR gate, NOR gate, and etc. In order to do the OR function, AND function, XOR function, and etc., we call this as logical operations of 8051. Usually in 8051 microcontroller, there are 25 different logical instructions used, and totally there are 49 operational codes used for logical instructions. What is operational code? Operational code is a code given to 8051 to do the specific operations. Example, move is a code given to the microcontroller in order to copy the data from source to destination. Similarly, add is an operational code used to add the two datas between the source and the destination. Therefore, opcode is a code used by the microcontroller in order to do specific operations. So, the instruction consists of operational code followed by destination address and source address. Now, there are 25 logical instructions and totally 49 operational codes used for logical operations. In logical operations, no flags of program status were affected. Usually, we define 4 flags: auxiliary carry flag, final carry flag, and overflow flag, along with parity flag. These flags are not affected during logical instructions, except only carry flag is affected during the operation of RRC and RLC logic operations. That is, rotate right with carry, rotate left with carry. Only these two logic operations will affect only the carry flag, CY flag, not all other flags. However, logic operations does not affect any flag. And also, the logical operations in 8051 performs only bitwise operations. A byte is nothing but 8 bits. The entire byte is operated, but bit by bit. Therefore, logic operation operates bitwise operations between the data present in the destination and data present in the source. Not simultaneously, byte operation is not done in logic operation. In logic operation, data present in the destination and data present in the source is operated with the specified logic only bit by bit. The first bit should be operated with the first bit only. The second bit of the source data must be operated with the second bit of the destination data. In that way, bit by bit operation is performed during logical operations. Here, during logical operations, the destination must be always the accumulator A, and it cannot be any other register. The destination must be the register A only, and after logical operations, the result is always stored in the accumulator register A only. That is, the result is stored in the destination only. And source may be anything. among four addressing modes. We know the four addressing modes. Immediate addressing mode, that is a number followed by hash, is the immediate addressing mode. Register addressing mode, we are using R0 to R7, totally 8 working register for register addressing mode. Direct addressing mode, we are using RAM locations from 00 to 3, from above 30 to 7F. The RAM address from 30 to 7F are used as direct RAM address. Indirect address. So all four types of addressing modes are used only in the source, not in the destination. The destination must be always register A only, and the final result is always stored in the destination only. See, there are different types of logic operations used in 8051 microcontroller. That is AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation, NOR operation, NOT operation, CLR clear operation, CPL complementary operation, swap operation, rotate operation, exchange operation. Now we will discuss one by one all these operation with examples. Now we will discuss the first operation, AND operation. In 8051 microcontroller, the operational code used for AND operation is ANL. That means AND logic with 3 letters ANL. ANL means AND logic which performs AND operation between the two data. This AND logic instruction is followed by destination, which must be always the accumulator A only, and the source, which may be any one of the four addressing modes, such as immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, direct addressing mode. Now we will discuss this AND operation with examples. ANL, AND logic, is the operational code used for AND operation. Therefore, we can represent this as the instruction ANL AND logic A comma hash 3F. Here 3F hexadecimal number is represented by hash. This means it is an immediate addressing mode. Therefore, the number 3F is in operation with the content present in A. Which operation? AND operation. ANL A comma hash 3F means the data 3F is in AND operation with the content present in A, and the result is stored in A only. Now here the entire 3F is not operated simultaneously with this. Each digit of 3F, that is each bit of 3F, is operated with the corresponding bit of the content present in A. Let us see how with an example. Move A comma hash 3D. A 3D hexadecimal number is moved to the accumulated register A. Therefore, A is equal to 3D. Now, AND logic A comma hash 3F. The immediate number 3F is in operation AND operation with the content present in A. The content present in A is now 3D. Therefore, 3D and 3F are in AND operation. You have to perform bitwise operation because all logical operations perform bitwise only. Therefore, write 3D in the form of bit, X, that is binary digits, 8 bits is 1 byte, 3D is 1 byte. This is decimal, binary number. Similarly, 3F is nothing but 0011, F is nothing but 1111. Now perform bitwise operation. The first bit is operated with the first bit only. and operation is AND. Therefore, 1 into 1 is 1. AND operation. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Therefore, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, which is 3D. It is the answer. Now, this answer 3D is stored where? In the accumulator A only. Therefore, now A is equal to 3DH. This is AND logic performed by immediate addressing mode. Similarly, you can take another example of AND logic by register addressing mode. Here, by register addressing mode, we can write this as AND logic A comma RR. RR means the working register. There are 8 working register, namely R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7. You can use any one of the 8 working register. So, and operation means AND logic destination must be always the register A comma RR. This is register addressing mode. RR may be R0 to R7. Example, move A comma hash 2C. That is, we have loaded the value 2C into the register A. Now A contains 2C. Next, move R0 comma hash 4A. Move the content 4A to the register R6. That is, R6 is equal to 4A. AND logic A R6. Content present in R6, that is 4A. The content present in A, that is 2C. They are in AND operation. Each bit of these two are in AND operation. So, since bitwise operation, expand this in terms of bit. 2C means 2 means 0010. C means 1101. C means 13. That is 8, 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 4A is 0100. A means 10, 1010. Perform bitwise operation AND. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Therefore, after performance of AND logic of these, you get 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. In hexadecimal number, this is 0, this is 8, 08H. This is stored in the destination address, that is in the register A itself. Therefore, AND logic A comma R6. Now A becomes 08 hexadecimal number. Now another example using direct addressing mode. We know that the RAM location 30, RAM locations given by the address 30 to the RAM location given by the address 7F are used as direct address. Example, AND logic destination must be the register A only, A comma 38. You should not write 38H because 38 represents RAM address of the locations. RAM locations do RAM address 38. ಯಾವಾಗ RAM addressನ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ, when do you represent the RAM locations, do not write H. You write H only when it is a number. So when you write hash 38, then you have to represent H. Since 38 is the direct address of RAM location, you should not write H. So AND logic A comma 38 means whatever the data present in the RAM location given by the address 38, that data is AND with the content present in A. Example, move. I will load some value to the A first. Okay. Move A comma hash 34H. That is, A now contains 34 hexadecimal number. Next, move RAM location 38 hash 4DH. Now, the RAM location given by the address 38 is loaded with the data 4DH. Now, bitwise operation. A is loaded with 34, which is nothing but given by 0011. 4 means 0100. And the RAM location 38 is loaded with the number 4D. This is our hexadecimal number. 4 means 0100. D. A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13. That is 8401. Perform AND operation. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Which is 0 and 4. Now A contains the value 0, 4. Okay? Yes. Similarly, another addressing mode, I will write this is AND logic A comma at or not. At or not. At means wherever at comes, it is indirect addressing mode. We know that for indirect addressing mode, only two registers are used, R0 and R1. For direct registering mode, register addressing mode, R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, R7, totally 8 register can be mentioned. But for indirect addressing mode, in 8051, we are using only two registers. It is valid, R0 and R1. Here AND logic A comma at R0. I will, with example, I will give the address for R0 first. Move R0 comma hash 08H. That is, load the R0 as 08H. Now, next steps, take the 08 as the address of R0. Therefore, now I will write 08, move 08 comma hash 4CH. That is, 08 address now contains 4CH. Again, load the data for A also. A comma hash, you can load any value. Example 3AH. Now A is equal to 3AH. Now AND logic A comma at R0. Destination must be register A only. So AND logic A comma at R0 means whatever the number present in the address given by R0. The number present in the address 80 is the address of R0. The number present is 4C. That is AND with the content in A. The content in A is 3A. Therefore, 08 address which is specified by the register R0 is 4CH. 4 means 0100. C. A is 10, B is 11, C is 12. That is 8 plus 4. 1100. And the content A is 3AH. This is equal to 3 means 0011. A means 10. 1010. These two are in AND operation. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0. That is 0 and 8, which is 0 and 8. Now, A contains the value 08H. In this way, you can perform any other logic operations. But you should know that in logic operations, the destination source must be the accumulated register A only, and logic operation is performed only bitwise bit. The first bit of the source address is logic operation with the first bit of the destination address only. The seventh bit is operated with seventh bit of the destination address only. And the final result is always stored in A. During these logic operations, no flags are affected. It should be noted. No flags are affected. Similarly, you can have another logic operations, OR operations. The second one is OR logic operations. In this logic operations, ORL is the opcode. ORL is the opcode used for OR logic operations. The instruction consists of opcode ORL followed by destination and the source. The destination must be the register A only. Here also the source may be any four of the addressing mode. Example, OR logic, destination must be the source A. OR logic, destination must be the source A. OR logic A. OR logic A. You can have source may be any four of the addressing mode. First one, immediating addressing 4DH. This means each bit of 4DH is in OR operation with each bit of the content present in A. This is immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. Second one is A comma RR. RR may be any 8 register, R0, R1, R2, etc., R7. That is content present in RR and the content present in A. Each bit of content present in RR is OR with OR logic with each content of each bit of the content present in A. This is register addressing mode. Register addressing mode. ORL is the opcode A comma 30. This is direct addressing mode. 30 is the address of RAM location. Whatever the value present in the RAM location given by the address 30. The content present in the RAM location which is given by the address 30, not 30 directly. The value present in the location 30 is OR with the content present in A. This is direct addressing mode. Similarly, RL A comma at R1. We know that for indirect addressing mode, only two registers R0 and R1 are used. This shows that the content present in the address which is given by the R1. R1 is mentioned as some address and that address will contain some number. That number of that address specified by R1 is OR with the A. Therefore, this is indirect addressing mode. This is direct addressing mode. You can have a OR function between the source data and the destination data. You can have some example. Okay, I will consider direct addressing mode example. So, for direct addressing mode, first I will load A with some value 4DH. Now A contains the value 4DH, hexadecimal number. I will consider the direct address 36. So I will load some value to this 36th RAM address. Some value is 3AH. Now the RAM location given by the address 36. The RAM location where the addresses are from 30 to 7F. Here I have selected the RAM location given by the address 36. In that address I have loaded the value 3A. Therefore RAM location given by the address 36 is now loaded with the value 3AH. Each bit of 3A is OR logic with each bit of 4D. For that you have to write RL, OR logic A comma 36. Here A must be the destination only. So the content present in 36, that is 3a, is OR logic with the content present in A, that is 4d. What is 3a? First let us consider 4d. In hexadecimal number, since bitwise operation is considered, write 4d in terms of 8 bit. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. D. A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13. That is N2 knock 108 plus 4 12 plus 1 13. And the next one is 3A. H, that is hexadecimal number. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. A means 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. These two are in OR operation. OR means we know that in OR logic 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1 itself. 1 represents higher state, 0 represents lower state. So higher state plus higher state is higher state itself. You should be noted that Boolean addition is different from logic addition. In logic addition, 1 plus 1 is 1 itself. In Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. You should be remember that. In Boolean addition, 1 plus 1 is 0 carry 1. Like decimal number, 6 plus 8 is 14. So we will write 4 first and we take carry 1. That is addition. But logic addition is different. Logic addition, high state plus high state is high state. That is 1 plus 1 is 1 itself. So perform OR operation with each bit. First bit must be performed with the first bit only. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. That is 4, this is 4 plus 2, that is 7. This is F. Now A contains the value 7FH. So in this way you can take your own examples to define all other addressing modes. Next, I will consider XOR logic. XOR, exclusive OR gate. What is the output of exclusive OR gate? First, I will write the output of 2 input exclusive OR gate. A and B are the 2 input. Y is the output of exclusive OR gate. Symbol of this exclusive OR gate is, this is symbol of exclusive OR gate. If this is input A, this is input B, output Y is A XOR B, which is nothing but AB bar plus A bar B. So if A and B are the 2 inputs, Y is the output, which is given by AB bar plus BA bar. Then both are 0, 0. What is the output? Output is 0 itself. If 0, 1, output is 1. If this is 1, 0, output is 1. If both are 1, 1, output is 0. See, in exclusive OR gate, if any one of the input is 0, output is 1. If all the inputs are same, 0, 0, same, output is 0. 1, 1 is same, output is 0. If any one of the input is different, here 0 and 1 are different, 1 and 0 are different, the output is 1. So it should be noted that in exclusive OR gate, if there are n number of inputs, if all the inputs are same, either 0 or 1, output is 0. If any one of the input is different, the output is 1. Similarly, the operational code to perform XOR logic is XOR. This is the operational code for exclusive OR gate operations. And the instruction is given by XOR destination comma source, A comma source. This is the instruction to perform exclusive OR operation. XOR XOR space A comma source. Here the destination must be the accumulator register A only. Therefore, XOR A comma source. Source may be any 4 types of addressing mode. So I can write all the 4 types of exclusive OR operation. XOR A comma hash 2CH. Hash represents immediate number. Hash 2C, in order to say that 2C is a number, not RAM location. 2C is a number, we have written H itself. So XOR A comma hash 2CH, immediate addressing mode. So 2CH is in exclusive OR function with the content present in A. This is immediate addressing mode. XOR A comma RR, register addressing mode. XOR A comma 39. I have not written H here. When you don't write H here, this represents address given by the RAM location. We know that in the internal RAM 00229 is used for something. From 30 to 7F, these are used as RAM location address to store the data. XOR A comma 39. 39 means somewhere it comes here. This is the RAM location which is given by the address 39, not the content of this location. You can load any content for this location which is given by the address 39. So 39 is the RAM address. Therefore, this is a direct addressing mode. XOR A comma at or not, indirect addressing mode. So exclusive OR gate can be applicable for all 4 types of addressing mode, but it should be noted that the destination must be the register A only and the final result is always stored in the register A only. I will give you some example. I will explain this one. XOR gate A comma at or not. So indirect address. First, I will load some value to the A. So by giving the instructions, move A comma hash 3CH. Now A contains the value 3CH. I will give the address for R0. I will take R0 as 09H. So 09H is loaded to R0. Now R0 is equal to 09. Now R9 is not the address. It becomes address only when I write the next instruction. Here this shows that the value 09 is stored in R0. Therefore R0 is equal to 09. Now if I write like this, move 09 comma hash any number, say 2AH. This shows that 2A is loaded into 09, whereas 09 is the address of R0. Therefore 09 is the address of R0, now which contains the number 2A. Then exclusive OR, that is XOR A comma at R0. That is whatever the value present in the address given by R0. What is the address 09 given by R0? Because R0 is 9 in which we have stored 2A. Therefore 09 is the address given by the register R0. The number present in that R0 is now 2A. Therefore the number present in the address given by the R0, that is indirect addressing mode, is exclusive OR with the value A. Now write A. A is equal to, before operation A was loaded with 3CH. So this is before operation. A value is 3CH because we have loaded A equals 3CH. That is 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. C. A is 10, B is 11, C is 12. Therefore 1, 1, 0, 0. Next, what is the 09? 09 is the address of R0. What is the number present in that address? 2A. Therefore 2A means 0, 0, 1, 0. A means 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. Perform exclusive OR operation. We know that in exclusive OR operation, if all the inputs are same, output is 1. Otherwise, the output is, if all the inputs are same, output is 0. Otherwise, output is 1. Here, if both inputs are same, therefore output is 0. Both inputs are different, 1. Both inputs are different, 1. Both inputs are same, output is 0. Different, therefore 1. Same in 0. Same inputs, 0. Same input, 0. This is 1. This is now equal to R6, 16H. Therefore, now A contains 16H. In this way, you can take examples yourself for other types of addressing mode also. See, in exclusive OR gate, if all the inputs are same, output is 0. Here 0, 0, all the inputs are same, output should be 0. Here also 1, 1, same inputs, output must be 0. Same 1, 1, 0. Same 0, 0, 0. Same 0, 0, output must be 0. If any one of the inputs are different, 0, 1 different, output is 1. 1, 0 different, output is 1. 1, 0 different, output is 1. 1, 1 same, output should be 0. In this way, perform each bit of both the data by exclusive OR gate, you will get 16H, and the final 16 is stored in A only. So no flags are affected during OR gate operation, OR operation, AND operation, XOR operation, and etc. The next fourth one, logic operation, is, say, the next one operation, let us consider NOT, logic operation. NOT, what do you mean by NOT gate? NOT gate has only one input, only one output. The output is not the input. That is, if input is 0, it is not at the output. There are only two possibles, 0 and 1. If the input is 0, output is not 0, means output should be 1. Therefore, you will get complementary of the input, NOT gate. Therefore, NOT operation, instead of performing NOT operations, we use the opcode CPL, complementary, because NOT gate, if A equals 0, output is A bar, complementary of this, that is 1 in the NOT gate. Therefore, we are not mentioning NOT operation. In order to do the NOT operation, the operational code used is CPL, complementary. So example, CPLA, that is complementing each bit of the content present in A. You have to complement each bit of the content present in A. Example, move A comma hash 4AH. A contains 4AH. What is in bitwise? All logic operation is a bitwise. Therefore, you have to express in bitwise. 4 means 0, 1, 0, 0. A means 10. 1, 0, 1, 0 is 10. Now, CPL, that means NOT operation. Complementary A. That is, whatever the value present in A, that is 4A is complemented, and the result is stored in A itself. Now A is equal to complement each thing. 0 goes to 1, 1 goes to 0, 0 goes to 1, 0 goes to 1, 1 goes to 0, 0 goes to 1, 1 goes to 0, 0 goes to 1. What is the value? N2 నాకు 12 ones 13. 13 ಅಂದರೆ A10, B11, C12, D. So 4 and 5, D5H. Now A contains D5H. So in order to perform NOT operation, we use CPL is the operational code. And CPL, complementary CPL should not have both destination and source. The instruction contains only destination. That destination must be the register A only. So this is how certain logical operations is performed in 8051 microcontroller. Next class we will discuss the remaining logical operations. Thank you.